roasty carrot souffle. Southern state sweet potato souffle-like dish, except possibly better. We're going to need 1/3 cup of 10x sugar, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, approximate, and 1/4 cream of tartar, 3 egg whites and 4 egg yolks, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 ounce of white wine, and half an ounce of lemon juice, half a cup of butter, with optional pumpkin pie spice or Barkenton mix. Let's prep our carrots. After cleaning, let's chop them up to similar sizes-ish. On medium heat, add the carrots to the pan. Add some salt, stirring occasionally until carrots have a good sweat on them. Add a couple of tablespoons of butter, stirring occasionally until the carrots are tender and you have a nice roasty brown hue on them. If, like you can't find your immersion blender, you can borrow your friend's blender, aka margarita mixer. Just make sure you know its limitations with heat. Take pan off the heat, add a few more tablespoons of butter, 3/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 ounce of wine, and a half ounce of lemon. If you want to add cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice or Barkenton mix, do so here. Dump the mix in your blender, making sure that it is cool enough for your blender. If you end up having a hard time blending, you can add some more milk. You don't want your puree any thicker than this. In fact, we should have added probably another 1/4 cup of milk. Let's dump the rest of the butter in our pot and begin cooking up our flour on medium-low heat. Mix in our puree, then turn off the burner. Take our 4 whisked egg yolks and temper them with a little bit of our mix 3 times, then combine all together. Now let's take our 3 egg whites. Yes, 3. You may ask what happened to the 4th. Look, I don't ask anything of you other than to like, sub, and comment, and feel free to ask any questions. Huh? Do yourself a favor and grab a smaller bowl than what I did. Whisk eggs until frothy. Then add the cream of tart, or tartar. That's your stabilizer. After beaten to a soft peak, add sugar a little at a time. I want to stop at a mid-soft peak to have the souffle a little denser, nearer to how us in the south of the United States have their sweet potato souffle. Take a 1/4 and thoroughly fold in to the carrot mixture. Then take the rest and fold in gently. You can pour the entire mixture into a casserole dish. This mix will rise some, so leave some room. I am baking this in a water bath in some ramekins. Either way, bake in a preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit until puffed and light brown. Depending on the size of your dish, could be anywhere from 25 to 40 minutes. Cheers.
Cheers! Oh, have you seen my margarita mixer?